Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show, we have this beautiful 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan Canada Value Package. Under the hood, you're going to find the award-winning 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine that's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It is shown in the gorgeous billet metallic color. This has been fully safetied and inspected and has a clean CARFAX. It's in excellent condition. We're going to take you through the interior quickly, but if you have any additional questions or just want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, and panic button. We'll just give you a quick shot of these beautiful tires. They are again in excellent condition. And as we head on inside, you have a beautiful two-tone interior. Power mirrors, windows in the first row, and locks, storage along the bottom. And then into your super comfortable captain's chairs. This is premium cloth throat, and again, it's in excellent condition. Into your steering wheel, you do have your cruise control on the right, on your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, dash selection, and behind my fingers there, audio-mounted controls. Headlight options to the left, and the current mileage is only 19,771 kilometers on this. So you also have a menu of information you can scroll through. Your shifting area is up and out of the way. Ignition area, of course, to the right. Nice, clean dash. And into your entertainment system. So you do have your Bluetooth and hands-free, AM, FM, and satellite capability. You also have a CD player, and you can connect through auxiliary and USB. So lots of options there. You also have a backup camera in your rear view mirror. Down below that, dual zone climate control with air conditioning, so both your driver and passenger will be equally comfortable. Pull-out cup holders with a drawer there, two 12-volt outlets, and we'll give you a quick pan through the passenger side, locking glove compartment, additional space above that. You also have sunglass storage with a built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers. And we'll just head into the second row. This is a view from the passenger side. So you do have two seats in your second row in a bench form. These do not stow and go, but they do remove if you need them to. And down below that, because they don't stow and go, you have all of that extra space for additional storage. In the third row, you do have an additional 3 seats. Those 3 seats do stow and go, and that's why you have tons of extra deep space down here. So of course, this is a view with your third row in the upright position. And again, nice deep area. If you have any groceries, they're not going to roll around the whole vehicle. If you do need to stow these, it's very simple. You just pull in the straps in order, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and just like that, they're stowed down. So overall, as you can see, this is a super versatile vehicle. The vans are very comfortable to drive, great sight lines. Overall, we would love to get you down here just to check one out for yourself. If you have any questions, please let us know. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.